So hello friends, how are you? So today I am going to tell you that how can you root your Android device. So in this video I am going to tell for each and every Android device. So this is a universal video for each and every Android device. So there are several methods which I am going to discuss with you for different Android devices. So as you can see, I have installed Pixel ROM on my Android on my Realme device. So you can see here RMX2185, which is my model number of Realme device. So I am currently running Android 11 on my Realme C11. So today I am gonna tell you how can you root different types of Android devices or different companies of Android devices. So let's get started. So firstly I am going to tell you that how can you root custom ROMs. So if you have installed any custom ROM on your Android device on any company of Android device, you can use this method, and this is a universal method for all custom ROMs whether you have installed it on Realme, Redmi or Samsung. So we will proceed with it. So firstly you have to download the APK file for Magisk from web. So I have downloaded it and I'm gonna show you. So you can see here I have renamed it zip. I can show you once. So you have to click on rename, and like this is I was downloaded it like this, like it is now Magisk app. It was app APK only, you can see here installing. So I do not want to install it now. So what you have to do is, as you download the Magisk latest APK, you have to click on rename and remove the APK extension and type here zip. So it will change the extension for your Magisk APK and it will convert into zip. So for these methods obviously you need unlock bootloader, so please confirm that first. So like I have Magisk zip file now. So you can now you have to proceed with if you have twrp recovery installed or any of the recoveries, custom recoveries installed, you have to flash this zip from the recoveries. I'm gonna show you how can you do that. So if you have ROM installed, so obviously you will be having some recovery, some type of custom recovery. So you have to reboot in your recovery. So in my case I have twrp recovery installed. So as you can see, my device is booting into recovery mode. This takes so much time because my twrp for my devices was an unofficial one and it has some minor bugs, so you have to wait. Let me tell you that this process is for all of the custom ROMs. You can try it on each and every one, as if you have installed custom ROM there could be any type of custom recovery also on your device, so you can use this method. And if you have a Samsung device and you have installed twrp on it, you can also try this method on it. It is working on it. So as you can see, my device is booting into twrp. So as you can see, my device has successfully booted into custom recovery. So now you have to click on installed and select the storage where you have kept the Magisk zip file. As in my case it's in SD card and I have moved it to my folder. You can see Magisk zip. So you have to click on it and simply swipe to flash. So as you can see, it's flashing. It may take 1 minute or 1.5 minutes to flash, so you have to be patient. So as you can see, it's done. do not focus on the red line errors, and these are only for. So you have to wipe Delvic cache one times, and one times from you can wipe from advanced wipe or 2. So you have to select Delvic ART cache and cache, and you have to wipe the cache partition, and then you have to simply click on reboot. So by this your device will be successfully booted into successfully gated boot, and then you have to proceed with some more steps. So wait until it's turned on. So as you can see, my Pixel Plus UI on Realme has booted successfully. There was no boot loop. You can see it's in my Realme device Pixel Plus ROM running. So you can try it on any other ROMs. This is for all custom ROMs in any device. So after flashing, you can see my interface. So you have to simply unlock the pattern. Make sure you haven't installed the APK file. Only you have to, and make sure that you are connected to internet. As you can see, there's nothing, but it takes time. So you can see my Magisk Android type icon has been created on my Android. So you have to simply click on it. So after clicking on OK, you will see the downloading APK pop up. After that you have to install this, allow from unknown source, and as you can see, I have clicked on installed, and you can see that Magisk app updated notification has come. So now you have to only open the app. So as we open the app, you can see our device is successfully rooted. You can see Magisk installed and app too. So by this method you can root any custom ROM on any device, and you can root Samsung device too if you have twrp recovery installed on it by this method. So now we proceed to the second method for stock ROMs and stock users. Now the process starts for stock ROMs. All the stock users can root their device by this method. So you can start by, firstly you need unlock bootloader, which you all knows. So you need unlock bootloader, and then you have to download Magisk APK file. After downloading Magisk APK file, you need some files of your device. So you can search it on web. Like you have to search for boot image of. Now you have to type your device name. So in my case it's Realme C11. You can type it this, you can search for it like this, and if you are not finding it, or on web there are many fake boot images which can lead you to boot loop. So I will recommend you to not download this boot image like this. You can download full firmware of your device. Like you have to type your device name and software download. After that you can go to official website of your brand. Like in my case it's Realme. So you can see here software and driver updates for Realme. Here you will find each and every device of Realme. If your device is of another company, you can go to its official site. So you have to simply find your device here. It will cost you more data, but it's from here it's safe. You will face no boot loop. And if you download direct boot image, so you can face boot loop, because in official website it's correct boot image patched in zip file, and if you download it from web you can face boot loop. So you can see here you have to match this version also to your phone, and then you can click on download. So I am not downloading it because I have already downloaded it and extracted it also. So if you have downloaded it, you can now see here my zip file is downloaded. Sometimes it is in OZip extraction, because of which you can't extract it. So remove the O from here like this. So you can remove, and After that you have to simply click on it and extract. I have already extracted it, so you can see here you can find the boot image and vbmeta image for your device. So I have found it, the image. Now I am searching for the vbmeta image. So firstly you can copy it to the root folder of your internal storage. So after copying it you have to also copy vbmeta image. So I am gonna search for it. So you can search for it here, it would be somewhere here. For Redmi it's not there, I think so. It's only in Realme and there are many devices which include vbmeta image, so you can check for it. So you have to copy your vbmeta image from here. It's I'm not able to find now, but I have extracted earlier, so I have copied it. You can see here my vbmeta image. So you have to simply keep your vbmeta and boot image in any folder. After that you can install your Magisk APK. As you can see my boot image is here. So after that you have to install your Magisk APK. I have named it zip, so you can rename it. You can download a Magisk APK from web. So after downloading it you have to simply install the app. So till now process is same for all of the stock ROM. So as you can see Magisk APK on my device. So you can see installed NA, so I haven't installed it. So now you have to click on install, select and patch a file, and here you have to search for your boot image. Like here I have kept it. So after patching you can select boot image from here. So like I am selecting, and then you have to click on let's go. So as you can see all done message has been shown here. So after that you have to simply go to your file manager. You have to go to internal storage, and here you have to go to downloads, and here you can see Magisk patched boot image. So you have to copy this to your root folder here. So after this you can see my Magisk patched boot image here. Now you can delete this boot.img file. So after this the main flashing method starts. So now you have to firstly go to your setting, about phone, and here you can find the builder number. So you have to tap it on 7-8 times. So your developer option will be enabled now. After then you have to move to developer option. As you can see my OEM unlocking is enabled by default, which means my bootloader is already unlocked. So after that you have to simply find the USB debugging mode and turn it on, and also default USB configuration for file transfer. And after that if you are using another mobile to root this, if you doesn't have PC, if you are using OTG to root this, you have to enable USB OTG. So this will support you. in some mobiles there is no option for this, so don't worry, it is by default enabled. So now you can simply remove all this. After that you have to simply boot into fast boot mode. So how can you do that? Is by putting command. So now I'm gonna show you how to flash this Magisk patch boot image and root your device. So now starts the main flashing process. This is a little bit different for different devices. So you have to click on connect your PC, and you can take necessary like stock firmware file from your device to PC, that if you stuck or face any boot loop, so you can flash the stock boot image. So now you have to simply copy Magisk boot image to your PC and also the vbmeta image. So after doing that, you have to open the command prompt in PC, or if you are using mobile you can use Bugzigger app to flash this. So after that you have to type command fastboot reboot bootloader, which will boot your device into fastboot mode. So I am telling you that you need the unlock bootloader for this. So unlock the bootloader first, then try this whole method. So if you are using Bugzigger app, you have to simply, the commands are same for the PC and the Bugzigger app both. So if you are using the Bugzigger app also, so you have to type fastboot devices. After that your device serial number will be shown here. So after that if you are my device is Realme, so I will be directly typing fastboot flash boot, but you have to if you are TechnoSpark user, so you have to firstly flash the vbmeta image also. So in my case I have to first flash the boot image. So you have to simply type fastboot space flash space boot space your file. You have to drag and drop your file from desktop, or if you are using mobile, so you can attach file from the Bugzigger APK and hit enter. After that it will transfer it to your device, and as you can see it's successfully transferred. So after that you have to copy the command fastboot disable verification flash vbmeta. So vbmeta in TechnoSpark you have to flash it first, then boot image, and in Realme you have to firstly flash boot image and then this vbmeta. So you can drag and drop and vbmeta from your desktop and simply flash it. And if you are Redmi user, you doesn't need any vbmeta. You have to only flash the boot Magisk patched boot image in your device, and after that you can type command fastboot reboot, which will reboot your device. So there's a little bit difference in flashing methods, but it's not too much complicated. So after that you can see here my Realme logo has come. If you face any boot loop, you can type command fastboot -w and then reboot. As in boot loop you can go to fastboot mode, so you can type commands from there, but you will not face any, because this method I have tried it and successfully rooted my device. As you can see my Magisk which was firstly showing NA, now you can see my stock Realme user interface. So now you can see that it's successfully rooted. So thank you guys for watching this video, and for Samsung users who haven't installed twrp and wanted to root, I will be posting a separate video, because this video has gone very lengthy almost, and so for Samsung it's a lengthy method, and if I'm gonna add that video in this video would be very lengthy. So that method will be uploaded by this week, so wait for it. And if you have installed the twrp, you can go for the process which I have told in the video. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel, and share video and like if you have liked it. And you can register your queries in my Facebook group or in comments. I will answer all of them. So, and also if you have successfully rebooted your device without any issue, you can greet me on comments and my Facebook page. So thank you and bye bye.